Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily English Dose. Have you ever found yourself drifting on autopilot from the moment you wake up until you go to bed at night? One day blurs into a week, one week into a month, and you realize you haven't done any of the things you wanted to. You feel like you're constantly rushing, but you're not getting anywhere. The morning scramble, the afternoon slump, the evening exhaustion. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most of us lose ourselves and our goals in the chaos of modern life. But there's a magic formula to take back control of your life: a perfect daily routine. No, a routine isn't just about boring, rigid rules. On the contrary, a routine means creating balance instead of chaos, peace instead of stress, and a clear roadmap for your goals. It's the secret weapon that allows you to make progress every day without relying on motivation. By watching this video, I will show you how to build your own unique routine. I will not only give you a list of tips, but also 4 concrete rules on how to design your morning, afternoon, and evening routines. These rules are based on scientifically proven methods to teach your brain new habits and become more consistent in every area of your life. If you apply these rules to your life, you won't just be more productive, you will also make more time for yourself. Focus on your English learning goals more consistently and feel a sense of satisfaction at the end of every day. This video is a starting point for you to find the rhythm of your life again. If you're ready, let's start charting this roadmap together. 1. Win the day with your morning routine. Break the autopilot. Your morning sets the foundation for your entire day. If you start your day in a chaotic way, the rest of the day will likely continue the same. The morning routines of successful people are so important for this very reason. They win the day before it even begins. Let's look at the steps you can take to start your day more mindfully. Stay away from your phone. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? Most likely, you reach for your phone to check social media or emails. This fills your mind with other people's agendas before the day has even started. Scientists say that starting your day with dopamine-filled notifications reduces your ability to focus and increases your cortisol, a stress hormone. This creates mental fatigue for the rest of the day. Instead, try to spend the first 30 minutes of your day without your phone. Wake up your body and mind. Before getting out of bed, take a few deep breaths while lying on your back and do some light stretching. Stretching your neck and shoulder muscles, in particular, helps release the tension that builds up overnight. This simple action, which takes just a few minutes, can help you feel more energetic throughout the day. It also gives you time to make a more conscious start to a new day. Hydration and a power breakfast. Your body becomes dehydrated overnight. Starting your day with a glass of water boosts your metabolism and increases mental alertness. In fact, drinking water before coffee or tea better prepares your body. Then, have a nutritious breakfast that will sustain your energy throughout the day. A breakfast rich in protein and fiber keeps your blood sugar balanced and helps you stay mentally sharp. Determine your day's priorities. Before starting the day, identify the 3 most important tasks you need to accomplish. Writing these tasks down on a piece of paper or saving them in your phone's notes app clarifies your mind and helps you know what to focus on all day long. This also prevents you from procrastinating on important goals, like learning English. Remember, your morning routine isn't a to-do list. It's a ritual that allows you to start your day calmly, focused, and energized. If you win your morning, you win your day. 2. Recharge and focus with your afternoon break. When you get to the middle of the day, it's normal to feel your energy drop. This is a phenomenon known as the afternoon energy slump, and it reduces most of our productivity. Disciplined people, instead of fighting this slump, manage it strategically. Take a real lunch break. Don't eat your lunch at your desk. Step away from your desk, put your phone aside, and give your mind a break. This is crucial for your brain to reset and get ready for the second half of the day. If possible, avoid taking on another mental task, like learning a new language during your lunch break. Focus on letting your mind completely rest. Eat light and nutritious meals. Heavy and greasy foods exhaust your digestive system and can make you feel sleepy and sluggish in the afternoon. Instead, opt for a light meal consisting of protein and vegetables, such as a salad or grilled chicken. This prevents an energy slump and keeps you active throughout the day. Remember, there's a lot of research showing that what you eat directly affects your mental performance. Go for a short walk. Just a 10-minute walk after lunch increases your blood circulation and allows you to get some fresh air. This simple activity sharpens your focus and boosts your creativity. It also helps reduce the negative effects of prolonged sitting. Reset your environment. Tidy up the clutter on your desk or open your window to get some fresh air. This revitalizes your mind and helps you focus on the rest of the day. With the philosophy of out of sight, out of mind, remove the distractions from your desk. Your lunch break isn't just about eating. It's a strategic investment in yourself to win the rest of the day. 3. Mentally wind down and prepare for sleep with your evening routine. The end of the day is the time to prepare for tomorrow. Your evening routine should help you de-stress, relax, and get ready for a good night's sleep. Quality sleep is vital for learning and memory. Especially if you are learning English, your brain needs it to reinforce new vocabulary and language structures. Shut down. Time and screen. Detox. Just like shutting down a computer, prepare your mind to shut down. 1 hour before bed, stay away from all work-related emails and tasks. This relaxes your mind and ensures your fatigue turns into genuine rest. The blue light emitted from phone, tablet, and TV screens inhibits your brain's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. This makes it difficult to fall asleep and lowers your sleep quality. This also negatively affects your English learning. Instead, read a book, listen to calming music, or do a light stretching routine before bed. We can call these activities a screen detox. De-stressing methods. Make time for yourself to unwind from the day's fatigue. Taking a warm shower, drinking herbal tea, or writing short notes about how your day went can calm your mind and help you fall into a peaceful sleep. This allows you to consciously manage daily stress. Close and plan the day for tomorrow. This is the most important part of your evening routine. Knowing what you're going to do in advance eliminates decision fatigue in the morning. In the evening, identify your top 3 priorities for the next day and write them down on paper. Also, prepare your clothes and the items you'll need, for example, your English notebook. This simple action helps you wake up in the morning with less stress and a greater sense of control. Your evening routine determines how rested and prepared you will be for the next day. Remember, a good day starts the night before. 4. Keep your routine flexible, not a prison. The biggest mistake is seeing a routine as a set of rigid and unchangeable rules. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes your plans can be disrupted. The important thing is not to feel like the entire system has collapsed when you deviate from your routine one day. Accept small setbacks. Did you wake up late one morning? Or did you not have time for your evening routine? That's okay. Instead of blaming yourself, promise yourself that you'll start again tomorrow. The key to a perfect routine is the ability to restart it. You don't have to be 100% perfect. Consistently maintaining even 70% of your routine is much more effective than striving for 100% perfection. Perfectionism often leads to procrastination. Make if-then plans. Plan ahead for situations where your routine might be disrupted. For example, if I can't do my morning workout, then I will take a 15-minute walk during my lunch break instead. Or if I'm tired in the evening, then instead of watching a 15-minute English video, I will just listen to 5 minutes of English music. This creates a mental safety net for unexpected situations. Refine your routine. Your routine can change and evolve over time. Observe which steps are most beneficial for you and adjust your routine accordingly. For example, if you notice that 5 minutes of stretching in the morning feels good, you can increase that time to 10 minutes. Remember, a routine is a tool to control your life, not a chain that restricts you. Speed up your English learning and explore our other videos. A daily routine isn't just about time management. It's also about the value you place on yourself and your goals. By integrating these 4 rules into your life, you will feel more conscious, more focused, and happier. This routine is also the most effective way to gain consistency and discipline for long-term goals like learning English. On our Daily English Dose channel, you can find many more videos that will inspire you while you apply these routines and help you improve your English naturally. Come on, start building your own routine. Now it's time to take action. In the comments, promise us which small change you're going to use to start building your routine by typing, "I'm ready for tomorrow," and share this commitment with our entire community. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the Daily English Dose channel so you can be notified every week about our new useful content and English story videos. Remember, consistent listening, confident speaking.